coming in, this time from down south. Let's take a look there. The news that we are getting from you is about the protest against JDS leader. Congress workers staged protests against JDS leader Prajwal Revanna over quote-unquote obscene video case, and they've been burning effigies. You can see there how protests have been carried out. This has become a political issue in the election season. Allegations being made that Prajwal Revanna sought sexual favors, and in return for that he was willing to give government jobs, etc. And that has become a political issue. Congress is milking it. These are protests by Congress's Mahila wing, where they are carrying out protests against JDS leader Prajwal Revanna. Bharatiya Janata Party, which is an alliance partner of the JDS in Karnataka, has sought to distance itself, saying we have nothing to do with this matter. The Congress, however, is trying to target the entire alliance on this issue. What exactly is the reason for the protest? Like I said, there is a tape that has now gone public. It is being alleged, based on that tape, the JDS leader Prajwal Revanna sought sexual favors from government employees. And this is the protest that Congress is carrying out because they sense an opportunity here. This is the Hassan sex scandal, is what Congress in Karnataka is calling it. They are demanding action. That is why these protest visuals that you're seeing, they're hoping, Congress is hoping that this will attract women voters. Accusations that are being made against Mr. Prajwal Revanna will affect the prospect of the entire NDA alliance there. Let me bring in Akshara into the conversation. Akshara, we're seeing these visuals of Congress party's protest. What is the situation right now, politically speaking, also investigation-wise?
The SIT has been formed. Karnataka Home Minister said that very shortly he'll announce the names, and following which it will be left to the SIT to ensure that they'll procure him, and investigation will take place. And right now what you're seeing is that last visit to follow me, and right now these were the Karnataka Congress women members who are gathered here in the DGP office, and right now they are being asked to move out as well. So right now what we are seeing is that protests are taking place here in the state of Karnataka, especially in Bengaluru, where you had in Racecourse Road as well, near the Congress office. There was a protest that was being held by many women here in the state of Karnataka, Bengaluru. And also at the very same time, we are bringing you visuals from the DGP office where many Congress party workers have gathered here in order to stage protest. We'll quickly try to speak to them. Now, what do you have to say about this whole case of Prajwal Revanna being purportedly involved in this sexual scandal case?
To be frank, it's really a shameful thing for a woman. We are feeling so shameful. Even our small kids, like even I have a daughter, she questions that, Mama, why is we just keep on roaming here and there in a public when we have done so much of mistake? And tomorrow something happens to me, will you not stand up for us? Every woman, every girl knows that what has happened with those 2,500 girls. And it's so shameful. Modi talk about Sita Mata, Ram, Krishna, everything. Then is he waiting that Sita will get abused and then he can make a video, then give her a justice? Should the other girls or women should not be safe? Should he not take any action on them?
What are you demanding right now?
Prajwal Revanna have to get arrested. He have to be punished. First of all, the FIR should be raised against him. That's what is our demand.
He has to be denied from MP candidate.
Yes.
He has to be denied from contesting as an MP candidate from Hassan district. So that is the reason we are protesting here.
Okay, so that's what the Congress party workers who are protesting here have to say. They are demanding an immediate arrest of Prajwal Revanna, who is said to be in Germany right now. He left yesterday at 3 a.m. And they're also stating that he's a candidate of the NDA for Hassan constituency. Now, remember, he's a sitting MP of Hassan constituency right now. In this election as well, he was given a ticket. So that is what they're demanding. They demand that he must be, an action must be taken against him. He must be disqualified. His candidature must be cancelled. At the very same time, the JDS leaders also say that they will sit and discuss. SP Devegowda, SP Kumaraswamy, they'll also sit and discuss this whole issue. And once the SIT report is right, they'll take an action against Prajwal Revanna. Is not yet given to understand from the JDS leaders.
All right. Thank you, Akshara. Thank you for putting that into perspective. Akshara, they're reporting on the political implications of the allegations against Revanna.